Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Now you can click on Lock Screen, tap on Screen Lock, and enter your current login method. Then click on the gray sweater next to Face, under Biometrics. Enter your login method again. And finally, after reading all of the instructions and disclaimers, hit Continue. Keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for 100% mark. Now adjust all of the available options however you want to, and when you are finished, tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!